Here we are on our last section of 94. Eddie, have you learned anything? Over here, look over here. Have you learned anything? Mom, I did not learn a thing. Okay. So we only have 2 questions today to do today. Hi, Pistol. Who wants attention? And let's dive right in. Hopefully you remember some of this from when we did our, what was our restaurant called? Hedgehog? Hedgehog restaurant? Okay. How does it grow? How does it grow? I'm getting a little tired, a little slap happy here. When you're dealing with money, it's important to have strategies for calculating and estimating percents quickly and accurately. So like when you're at a restaurant, you don't have to like, get your calculator, you just want to think about it quickly. So we have a strategy for finding 10%, and then by moving the decimal, so say it's $25, 10% is $2.50. 10% is a kind of little tip, so you want to maybe give a little bit more than $2.50. 20% would be $5. So that's sort of like your range. Number 70 says, what is the tip? Kendra has 3 friends who have birthdays during the summer. Every year she buys them dinner to celebrate. This year the bill came to $125. Kendra says, I like to leave a tip for a wait person for good service, but I never know how much money to leave. Kendra, And then Rhonda says she always leaves 15%. Then Shirley said, but our service is really good, so I think you should leave 20. Without using the calculator, find 2 different ways to calculate 15%. So $125, 10% is going to be move the decimal over 1, $12.50. And to get 15%, you're going to take half of $12.50, which is $6.25, and add it to the $12.50. So let me show you that on the board. We have a $125 bill for our dinner. The tip is 10% is $12.50, and 15% is 10 plus 5. So we have $12.50 plus $6.25. So we get $18.75 for a 15% tip. And the question asks you, two different ways. One's good enough. Find the 2 different ways to compute 20. 20 would just be doubling this $12.50. That's easy. $12.50 plus $12.50. 20%. Add them. $25. Ooh, that's a big tip. That's too much. So that's B. Ron and Shirley were not able to convince each other how much to leave. So Deja said, let's compromise. Leave 18%. 2 different ways to calculate 18%. So you could either multiply this by 0.18, but that's not estimating. You could do 10% plus 1% times 8. So 1% being $1.25. We multiply that by 8. $10. That's 18%. Still a big tip. And then 71 is the only other one we're doing. Pretty sure. 70, 71. Uh-oh, go away. I want that. Oh, this stupid thing is Zoom. Arrgh. Lorraine's father wanted to teach her about saving money. He offered to act as a bank and keep her money safe for her. Don't trust your dad. I'm kidding. Trust your dad. He even said he would pay her 4% simple interest on her money for a year. In other words, if she gave him money to keep for her, after a year, he would add 4% of the original amount to her savings. Lorraine told Jill and Mickey about this. They quickly went to their parents to propose similar plans, below is information about the arrangement each girl made with her parents. This girl gave her dad $1,000 for 4%. Jill said she could give her mom $800 and she get 5.5%. And then Mickey said I gave my parents $950, and they're going to pay $4.50. So we have 4, 4.5, 5.5. After a year, how much interest will each girl have learned? Show your work. And then how much money will they have? So basically, you're just going to take the amount of money they have given their parents. So we have $1,000 times 4% interest. Let's write that better. Equals how much interest Jill's going to get. We have 800, or Lorraine, Jill has 800 times the 0.5.5%, what she's going to make. And then we have 950 times 4.5. So plug that in your calculator and you'll get the amount, and then add this amount. So for instance, 950 times 45. Oops, 045. Ooh. It's $42.75 interest. So then you just add that $42.75 to the year, and you get $992.75 for that last girl, Mickey. Okay, that was nice and easy. 6 minutes. See you guys next week.